Ready to integrate QuickBooks with ServiceTitan? Let's complete it in under a minute. First, confirm admin access in both QuickBooks and ServiceTitan and back up your data. In ServiceTitan Open Settings, choose Integrations, then select QuickBooks from the list. Click Connect, sign into QuickBooks, and grant the requested permissions for data access. Select the correct QuickBooks company file and confirm the connection status shows connected. Set initial sync options, invoices, payments, and customers, then choose your sync frequency. Map ServiceTitan categories to QuickBooks accounts to ensure accurate bookkeeping. Run a small test sync using a sample invoice and verify the corresponding ledger entries. If you see conflicts, review your mapping, tax settings, and item configurations. Enable automated daily syncs and reconcile payments to minimize manual reconciliation work. Avoid duplicate customers by enabling unique ID matching and using consistent naming conventions. Confirm final sync, monitor logs regularly, and contact support if any discrepancies persist.